Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Perpetual here. If you're new, you are warmly welcome. And guys, thank you so much for joining me on this last minute vlog. Guys, I am making my way to Sunyani and I am bringing you along. So it is about a 7.5 hour drive from Accra to Sunyani, and the weather was not looking very nice. So that delayed us a bit because at some point it was raining quite a bit. And I just took you, like, I'm literally just filming on the sides. We got to Abisim, and this is my mom's hometown. It is only a few minutes from Sunyani, so I figured I'd show you my mom's hometown, therefore my hometown as well. And then we arrived in Sunyani after about 8 hours thanks to the rain, and you can tell that the rain is on the screen, but I still wanted to go ahead with this vlog because like halfway through our drive my sister called and she's like, you have to do a vlog. And guys, if today is your first time here, or if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right away and be sure to join this amazing family. And guys, my DM on Instagram is always open, or let me know in the comment section the kind of content you would like to see as well. So after our long drive finally arrived, we were at home, and every time I come here I have to go stand up here for this view. I love it. I don't know what it is. I find it so relaxing and so peaceful. But yeah, after resting for a little bit, I head back out. I just drove by. This is Sunyani Secondary School right here. Drove back to Taiko City Hotel to pick up some lunch, and yeah. So for lunch, I went with my mom on this trip. So for lunch, she had fish and cashew sauce with plain rice. I had jollof and chicken and tomato sauce. They were both really nice. The chef added free salad for us, which was really nice of him. I enjoyed my meal, but I enjoyed my mom's a lot more. So I ended up eating way more of hers than mine. And guys, remember the view I talked about? This is it at 5:30 a.m. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, the day before, like on the Friday when we arrived, I ended up just visiting family, visiting friends, a few friends that I have in Sunyani, which was really nice. And then, so the next morning, we actually had a funeral to get to, the main reason why we came to Sunyani. But I drove through the city because it is so gorgeous and I love, love, love the drive. We went to go and buy some tea bread. And guys, hands down, this is the best tea bread in Sunyani. Like, I kid you not, this is as fresh and as authentic as it gets. Like, you can tell, you can see the oven, the very traditional one, the fono in the back. Like, they're literally getting the bread in and out of there. It is amazing. And guys, this is the house that we grew up in. It's being renovated, so we can't see much. But this house is way older than I am. My dad's first house. I had to drive by there before we went to get our koko. And when I saw this, I found it really interesting. I've seen it before, but since she was making it, decided to capture it as well. She is dipping bread into the kose or akara batter and frying it. They call it kose pano or panu kose or something like that, but I found it so interesting. So yeah, you get a combination of the bread and the kose together. But this kose and koko was really nice. It was absolutely delicious, and guys, you got to love the prices. So what she's frying, she said one is 50 pesos. The kose is 3 for 1 CD, and the koko starts at 1 CD, and I got 1 CD and it was a great portion. I even had a little bit left, so I definitely appreciated the good prices here. Anyway, so after getting our breakfast, we headed back home. The building on the left, I believe it still is the tallest building in Sunyani, the Cocoa House. It is about 6 floors, I believe. And I think it was the first building to also have an elevator in it. But anyway, we went back home, got dressed, and head out to the funeral. We were going to Wamnafo. I think I pronounced that right. Anyway, we drove through Brekum. And guys, I was born here. Didn't live here or anything, but it was nice to just drive through the town that I was born in. And went to the funeral halfway or in the afternoon. We got some corn because as we were driving, we found so many spots where they were selling fresh corn. And guys, I really enjoyed it because it was actually soft. I think this is the first time since being here that I have gotten very soft corn. And guys, you know that funeral jollof hits differently. This was absolutely delicious. One of the best jollof I have had in my life. It was so good. Again, I don't know what it is about funeral jollof, but it was that good. Drove back. We went to Doma to visit one of my grandmothers. Drove back through Burekum, and then we made our way back to Sunyani. And when we got back to Sunyani, guys, I was so bent on meeting Tatiana. I contacted her when we got there on Friday, and I was like, after the funeral, I'm gonna come find you. I literally went to the market when we got to Sunyani, like in my funeral cloth and all, to go and meet her. Had a nice little chat. It was amazing meeting her. And I was like, you know what? I am putting a vlog together whether you like it or not. We got some coconut. And again, prices are a little bit better here than in Accra. I think this was 3 cedis each, and it was really nice. Mine was not as sweet, but she said hers was. But yeah, guys, definitely one of the highlights of my weekend, getting to meet her, having a little chat with her. It's so nice to meet people. You know, you form relationships and friendships on social media, and getting to finally meet the person and interact with them is absolutely amazing. So it was such a pleasure meeting you. And guys, I am going to head to Sunyani one of these days for a vlog just with her. Then later that evening, I made my way to Rex, which is the street food central, went to get some fried yam and some gizzard. And guys, the next day we made our way back to Accra, made a stop at Lindador, and I got some food because we left very early. So when we got to Lindador, it was before 10 a.m., but I was starving. So I ended up getting some fried rice and some chicken. It was actually quite nice, which was surprising. I did not expect it to taste that nice, but it was. So had that, and then we made our way to Accra. And guys, that's it. Thank you so much for coming along with me on this trip. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, every time I travel, I look forward to bringing you more content from different places. Have an amazing day, and I'll see y'all again very soon. Take care, guys.